Imagine waking up every morning to a relentless ringing in your ears, drowning out the world around you. You're not alone. Millions grapple with this exact torment known as tinnitus, yet so many misconceptions abound. One of the biggest myths is that tinnitus can't get better on its own, that you're trapped in a cycle of endless suffering. But science tells us a different story. Neuroplasticity shows that your brain is capable of rewiring itself. Research indicates that with the right techniques, your tinnitus can diminish as your brain learns to filter out these phantom sounds. Evidence from studies on sound therapy demonstrates that consistent exposure to soothing frequencies can help your mind shift focus away from the noise. Start today by integrating sound therapy into your daily routine. A simple act like listening to calming soundscapes for 30 minutes can help. Pair that with journaling for just 5 minutes daily to track your emotional responses to this noise. You'll build insight into your unique triggers. You can also incorporate mindfulness meditation using apps like Headspace or Calm, dedicating just 10 minutes to focus, breathe, and reset. You're not alone in this journey, and your experience matters. I know it can still feel overwhelming. Even with this understanding, I remember that struggle all too well, but I want to share something that helped me personally. I stumbled upon a natural supplement that actually made a difference for me, and I wish I'd found it sooner. Seriously, if you're tired of spinning your wheels and want something that works, check out my homepage. I'm not just saying this to push a product. I genuinely want you to find relief like I did.